Hey guys, WolfPro54 here with my first YouTube video. Today we will be working on a Ferrari GT, I believe, the 2008 Ferrari California. So today we'll be doing a livery for this car, as you may have read by the title. Today we'll be doing block party. This livery usually works for GT cars, and today we'll be working with the Mercedes-Benz SL65 AMG Black Series. To start, you're going to be wanting to paint the car for block party. Like the other car you saw, was kind of a darker gray, so we're going to start with that color. And the wheels, they have to be kind of a lighter red to match block party. The logo may be pink, but the red really brings it out. I'm sorry for the long wait times. So we're going to start by applying the decals for this car. The main vinyl shapes we're going to be using today are under Primitives and Community Vinyls 2. So for now, we're going to go to Community Vinyls 2, and we're going to grab this shape right here, kind of a half semicircle. We are going to paint this the same red we painted the wheels, and we're going to spin it at about 90 degrees. And you have to remember, this has to be exact if you want this to be a Forza edition car. It's gonna have to be sized to fit the car itself. So for now, I'm just gonna stick with a shape kind of like that. Coordinates 165, 365. And now we're going to be using the square under Primitives. You're going to want to paint this black. You're going to move this down, you're going to spin it so that it fits. There's no exact for this at the moment. It is definitely going to overlap, but once you copy paste the red arc, then it's definitely going to look a lot better. You want the black to cover it, but not completely. You're going to cover as much as you can. I'd say about that would be good. We're going to do another black square, but this time we're going to be doing it up here. We're definitely going to size this a little bit bigger. So that's about what you wanted to do. Cover the side of the car with black, only up to the red point. You're going to go back to this red and you're going to copy it. You're going to go over to the add decal, and you're just going to paste, and it should come out something like that. You're going to go over to the left side and just copy it, just to save us some time. We're then going to go to the rear bumper and completely cover it with a big black square. We're then going to go to the top and hood, and we're going to be making a few decals, mainly using squares. You're going to grab that lighter red, and you're going to try to make a stripe out of it. You don't want to go onto the rear bumper or anywhere close to that. You're gonna want to bring this only about to the back window, or the rear windshield as I call it. You're then going to grab another square. This time you're going to paint it black. You're going to bring it all the way to the back bump, the trunk. This is going to match the two sides. The spoiler will also be painted black. You're going to want to line it up to the center of this of the side of the small arc on the side. Align it to about the middle. You're going to then apply a red square. And you're going to want to align it exact to it. It doesn't have to be exact. You can move this to your knees. You're then going to add another black stripe. This one is going to be very small. The size is going to be about 3, I'd say. 0.3. You're going to then move it a little bit away from the side of this big red stripe. You're going to size it as big as you can, at least to cover the part of the car where it's visible. You're then going to copy paste it to the opposite side. The front bumper is really optional because it doesn't bring out that much of the car. You're going to want to try to keep that stripe going. Make it something like this. Again, you're going to size it down to 3 to match the one in the hood. You're then going to copy paste it to the opposite side. About to there. We're then going to go back to this side to add the manufacturer decal, mainly for Horizon Block Party. It is really your choice where you get to put it, but for me, I'm going to size it down to about 85, and I'm going to move it somewhere on the door. I'm going to go back on the left side, and just to save some time, I'm going to copy paste it. Just going to delete the rest of the layers, and you should be left with that. The top and the hood is a little bit different. You can't just copy paste it. So, what you're going to do here, I'm sorry for this call, but you're going to take the block party symbol and you're going to go down to the hood. You're then going to rotate it about 90 degrees, where it says up to 270 at least. Got it exact that time. That's good. After you do that, you can save it, and your car should look something like it will when this saves. The car should look something like this.
is WolfPro54 signing off. Hope you liked the video.